Benjamin Franklin said, "If you fail to plan, you are planning to fail." Planning is as essential to success in life as it is in business. However, when it comes to planning projects, we often focus only on one part of the story: planning execution. We pay too much attention to schedules, tasks, goals, milestones, and execution plans. We need to take a step back and start by planning project creation. StellarPlatform's project planning tool guides you in exploring, creating, structuring, and specifying various segments and details of your project, enabling you to plan both creation and execution. StellarPlatform enables you to gather and build your own team, structure different roles and responsibilities, and distribute ownership share between founders, team members, or investors. Write your own story. Tell everyone what you are passionate about and what motivates you to pursue this project. Elaborate upon the industry you're a part of and how it's going to evolve over time. Define your market and specify how you are solving problems and providing value for your customers. Structure different segments of your project. Explore and specify your target market in detail and define who you believe to be your key competitors in a particular segment. Write down key milestones for your project, specify deliverables in order to measure progress, evaluate potential risks, and how you plan to respond to them. Describe how your project will make money and specify each potential revenue stream. Explore and define various resources you need to develop your project. And in order to communicate it clearly and briefly to the public, structure your project's microsite. Project planning needs to account for all the elements and segments of the project ecosystem. StellarPlatform is here to help you plan it all. StellarPlatform, the place where you develop ingenious projects with stellar impact.